Hello students, I welcome all of you in Kenes Educare. Today we are solving exercise number 16.2 of your chapter playing with numbers. This chapter is from your 8 mathematics NCERT. तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं. Question 1. If 21y5 is a multiple of 9 where y is a digit, what is the value of y? y की वैल्यू क्या होगी हमें बतानी है. देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, suppose 21y5 is a multiple of 9. Therefore, according to the divisibility rule of 9, the sum of all digits should be multiple of 9. So that is 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5 is equal to 8 plus y. Therefore, 8 plus y is a factor of 9. ओके, तो ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है यहाँ पर? सो दिस इज पॉसिबल व्हेन 8 प्लस वाई इज एनी वन ऑफ दिस नंबर्स, जैसे कि 0, 9, 18 एंड 27 and so on. Okay, so however, since y is a single digit number, so this sum can be 9 only. Therefore, the value of y should be 1 only, that is 8 plus y is equal to 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, then students, question number 2. If 31z5 is a multiple of 9 where z is the digit, what is the value of z? You will find that there are two answers for the last problem. Why is it so? देखिए, since 31z5 is a multiple of 9, therefore according to the divisibility rule of 9, the sum of all digits should be multiple of 9. So 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5 is equal to 9 plus z. So therefore 9 plus z is a multiple of 9. This is possible when 9 plus z is the any one of these numbers, 0, 9, 18, 27 and so on. This is implies 9 plus 0 is equal to 9 and 9 plus 9 18. So hence 0 and 9 are two possible answers. ठीक है. Then students, if 24x is a multiple of 3 where x is a digits, what is the value of x? Since 24x is a multiple of 3, its sum of the digits 6 plus x is a multiple of 3. So 6 plus x is the one of these numbers, 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18 and so on. But since x is a digit, it can only be that 6 plus x is equal to 6 or 9 or 12 or 15. Therefore x is equal to 0 or 3 or x 6 or 9. Okay, thus x can have any of the four different values. देखिए, let us say 24x is a multiple of 3. So then according to the divisibility rule, 3 क्या होता है कि सम यहाँ पर 3 के डिविजिबल में होनी चाहिए. तो 2 plus 4 plus x is equal to 6 plus x. So 6 plus x is a multiple of 3 and 6 plus x is the one of these numbers. So 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and so on. Since x is a digit, the value of x will be either 0 or 3 or 6 or 9 and the sum of the digits can be 6 or 9 or 12 or 15 respectively. Thus x can have any of the four different values, 0, 3, 6 and 9. Question number 4. If 31z5 is a multiple of 3 where z is the digit, what is might be value of z? देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, since 31z5 is a multiple of 3, therefore according to the divisibility rule of 3, the sum of all the digits should be multiple of 3. Correct. Therefore 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5 is equal to 9 plus z, and therefore 9 plus z is multiple of 3. That is possible when the value 9 plus z is the any of the values, मतलब 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. So at z is equal to 0, तो 9 plus 0 9. At z is equal to 3, 9 plus 3 12. Z is equal to 6, 9 plus 6 15. 9 plus 9 18. The value of 9 plus z can be 9, 12, 15 or 18. Hence 0, 3, 6 or 9 are four possible answers for z. तो स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर ही हमारी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 16.2 यहाँ पर ही एंड होती है. यहाँ पर आपका चैप्टर प्लेइंग विथ नंबर्स भी एंड हुआ. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, आपका सिलेबस जो है 8 स्टैंडर्ड का वो भी यहाँ पर एंड होता है. आई थिंक आपको ये सभी वीडियोस फर्स्ट चैप्टर से एंड चैप्टर तक आपको सभी अच्छी तरीके से समझ में आ चुके होंगे. सभी बेसिक कंसेप्ट अपने समझ में लिया होगा. ठीक है, तो आपको ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर एग्जाम. थैंक यू.